Hello, hello, I'm Pinocchio. Wow, what's that? It's a book. Thank you. You're welcome. What's this? It's a box. A box? Wow, pizza. What's that? Thank you. You're welcome. Good morning, Mrs. Keller. Good morning, Miss Sullivan. This is Helen. What's this? It's a pencil. What's this? It's an eraser. What's this? It's a ruler. This is a Cinderella. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. What? Oh no. Is this yours? Yes, it's mine. No, it's not yours. Is this yours? Yes, it's mine. Oh, it's yours. I love you. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. Time for lunch. Cinderella, lunchtime. Okay, coming. What time is it? It's 5:30. Party time. Let's go. Please wait for me. Cinderella, close your eyes. Open your eyes, please. Wow, thanks. You're welcome. Party time, Cinderella. Time for dancing. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. Oh no, it's late. Good night. Please wait for me.